Here you see the last piece of previously frozen wild sockeye salmon at the Costco Wholesale in Teterboro, New Jersey. My wife managed to get the last piece. It was only about 1.5 pounds. And I'm grilling it tonight on this stovetop grill for about 7 minutes. 4 minutes on the skin side down, and then 3 more minutes. And then once it's finished, I'm going to use this reduction of organic diced tomatoes, garlic, rosemary, some other dried herbs, and top each piece with some of that, plus a little pesto. So that was 4 minutes on the skin side down, and now I flipped them over for another 3 minutes. It must have been a great salmon season in Alaska and the rest of the northwestern United States. Normally Costco doesn't get fresh sockeye salmon after early October. Here it is March, and this previously frozen sockeye is just absolutely wonderful, indistinguishable from the fresh. So I used this slotted spoon to transfer the tomatoes onto the fish so we didn't get too much liquid. Then a spoonful of pesto. This incredible wild sockeye salmon is a delight. So now we can enjoy it year round. So there it is, medium. Having some French wine in a French glass. It's a Duralex tumbler. Enjoy.